Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm. This is my ornamental pepper plant, and I actually put two of them together. This guy here grows peppers that you can eat, and we keep this in the house. It had a bunch of peppers on, but my husband keeps eating the peppers. We took some off and mailed them to my sister, the seeds, but it does pretty good. I have it here in my front window, and it's a fun place to sit. And Clay likes it because every once in a while he can have a snack. Now, if you pick up an ornamental pepper, this one has like I think white and like a purple and a red pepper. Some of them have different colors, and Clay eats them all. But if you do get any house plants, before you eat them, obviously make sure they are truly an edible plant. But anyway, this is a ornamental pepper, and it's a cool plant to have. And do your research whenever you pick up a new plant, because there's so many varieties. I would hate to have you eat something without doing your homework and doing the checking that you need to eat. Never, never, never eat it. If you're in doubt, don't eat it. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.